Let's simplify a radical expression where the index is a number other than 2. How about let's do a cube root. Our index here is 3. So let's take the cube root of 54 x to the 6th y to the 8th. Let's see what happens with this. First of all, I need my prime factors of 54. So I know that's 6 times 9. And 6 is 2 times 3, and 9 is 3 times 3. So my prime factors are 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. I'm going to write my x to the 6th and my y to the 8th in expanded form. And I get that. Okay, so my index of 3 shows that a number can come out of the radical sign if I can make an identical group of 3. There's nothing you can do with the 2, but I have 3 3's here. If I put them together, it comes out of the radical sign as a single 3. Because if you take the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, let's look at our x or our variables. I have a group of 3 right here. It comes out as a single. I have a group of 3 here. It comes out as a single. Let's look at our y's. 1, 2, 3. It comes out as a single y. 1, 2, 3. That comes out as a single y. And everything that didn't get circled has to stay under the radical sign. So I have a 2. My x's all came out, but I have these 2 guys over here. So y squared. All right? Remember when we were dealing with square roots, I told you if your index was anything greater than, if your index was 1, there were no perfect square root factors on the variable. Well, it's different with a 3. If you're taking a cube root and your exponent's 1, it's simplified. If you're taking a cube root and your exponent is 2, you're simplified. So here it's any number less than 3, then you're simplified. If your exponent is 3 or greater, you are not simplified. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and finish this up. If I put it all back together, I have 3x squared, y squared, the cube root of 2y squared. And that's going to be your final answer. Woo! Yeah, I know. Okay? And make sure when you're putting your index here that it doesn't look like it's the exponent on your y. For instance, let's say the answer was 3x squared y, the cube root of 2y squared, or I'm sorry, 2y squared. When you put that index of 3 in here, you've got to get it in the right spot. That's where it belongs. Don't put it here. That looks like y to the 3rd, the square root of y squared. I think I had a student doing his homework and did something similar to this, and he kept getting the wrong answer. It's because it looked like the 3 was an exponent instead of it being an index. Okay? All right, good luck.